In the high noon at Matford Yards, the engines were busy shunting some trucks. Stanley came in chuckling at first when he saw Sidney and wanted to have a little chat with him on why he was chuckling.
Hello, Stanley.
Hey Sidney, listen to this joke Charlie told me. What does a music composer, a lightning rod, and a guard in a brake band have in common?
I don't know. What do they have in common?
They're all great conductors.
Sidney was laughing at Charlie's joke so much that he wasn't paying attention to where his trucks were placed, and Sam was heading straight for it.
Oh, Sam, look out!
Just like buffers! Sam, are you all right? I think we done hit somebody.
You hit somebody.
Oh, don't worry. It's just some coal cars.
Don't worry, we better get Harvey to clean up the mess. And so it was all arranged. However, there was a catch. One truck was carrying Welsh coal, whereas the other truck was carrying regular coal. But it was already too late. No one noticed to check the coal, and the coal was mixed up, and Henry already took it into his firebox. He then later on had to take a stopping service along the main line. Ah! Oh, sorry there, Henry. You're fine. Don't worry, this wasn't the first time I was splattered with paint. At first, the journey went well, but not for long. The fire started to burn abnormally, and Henry started to hiccup. Oh, Henry, what's happening? I don't know, driver. There's something funny going on in my firebox. Henry then had to charge up Gordon's Hill. He puffed hard, but to no avail, he made it up to the crest. The passengers were anxious, and then Henry slid down the hill. Help had to be called. Edward came in and gave out the signal, and Henry replied back, and the cavalcade charged on. When Henry reached the crest, he rumbled down the hill at a full rate of speed, but still hiccuping. Meanwhile, at Crovan's gate, Rusty was just bringing in a little old machinery to the top station. Well, Rusty, I must thank you again for letting me take the old Slateworks wench and making it into an addition for my railway museum. Well, the honor is all mine. 2 minutes later, Rheneas arrived in with the train. Oh, hello. Sorry I'm late. Don't worry. You're not the only one that's late. It looks like Henry's late as well. I wonder where Henry is. Here he comes now. Isn't he coming in a little fast? Henry! Henry! Stop! Oh no! Brakes! An upset Topham started to emerge from the coaches. Henry the Green Engine, you're stuck on a hill and now you're breaking... Oh, my suit! I'm sorry, sir. I don't know what's wrong with my firebox. but all I know is that it's causing me to have hiccups. Well, I suppose we'll have to call for another engine, Henry. Best if you go to the steamworks. And that's what Henry did. Molly took over while Henry was in the works right next to Croven's gate. All right, Henry. We did what we can to make you feel better. Your firebox is cleared out, and you have some new fresh Welsh coal in you. However, there's not much we can do to deal with your hiccups. You'll just have to wait for them to wear off. Henry was furious. Now about that little stain on your tender.
Henry, the whole STEAM team has heard about your hiccups, but me and James have a solution.
Like what?
We want you to drink water as fast as you can.
Well, I guess it's worth a shot. With that settled, Henry started to drink.
Chug, chug, chug. Chug, chug, chug. Chug, chug, chug. Chug, chug, chug. James, let him drink.
At last, the water tank was up to the brim.
So, how do you feel?
Well, I think I feel fine.
Don't fiddlesticks music.
Well, thanks for trying any way. A few yards ahead, Henry started to make his way to Knapford Harbor. A train was already there for Henry to take to Knapford. By the time Henry got coupled up, Thomas and Percy came in. Hi, Henry. Me and Percy heard that you have hiccups, but don't fret. We have a little solution for you. Oh, really? What's the solution? Just watch this video from my driver's phone and see. A video? How? Just watch. Okay, there's a lizard, clearly. But I don't get it. How's this supposed to... Oh my gosh! Oh, Henry, you and the newer seasons. I can't help it. I'm an old engine. I'm an old engine, and I'm not what I used to be. Oh, he hiccuped again. Look, I'm sure there are plenty of ways for you to get rid of my hiccups, but that isn't the best way. Thank you, Molly. Oh. Mother's going to be cross. Hello? Yes, Mother. Listen, I know I'm probably interrupting your time of watching the Golden Girls, but I need a new suit. The current one I have is covered in soot. 10 minutes. Okay, thank you. Henry sulked into the station, still hiccuping. Gordon was waiting for him. He had a plan.
Okay, Henry.
We are going to do one last attempt to extinguish your hiccups. Try holding your breath.
For how long?
A minute should have to do.
Philip will do the counting.
Alright. 1, 2. There you are, Topham. Oh, thank you, Mother.
Do you think this can work? Let's hope it does.
Best if I close the windows. Gracious, it's dark. 16, 17, 18. Come on, pants, pull up. Oh! Oh, Godred, what are we seeing? Shield your eyes! Huh? Oh, no! Look away! Look away! I cannot unsee that. Is everyone all right at the back? I'm relieved to say that everyone was all right, but slightly broken. I think that's enough excitement for one day. I think I can manage to take this train up to Normby myself.
Henry's right. We do have enough excitement. Speaking of Henry, did anyone notice something?
What?
Henry's hiccups have stopped.
Oh, what a relief. I'm telling you, those hiccups were beginning to become such a pain in the... Don't, please. Kid-friendly. Thank you.
I'm surprised that we can hiccup. I know we're anthropomorphic, but I didn't know that we were that anthropomorphic.
Which brings us to one of the greatest unanswered questions in this franchise. How and why do we have faces?
Well, I suppose that will be a story for next month.